Hey friends, so we've got a Silverfire rocket stove here, doing very nicely. What is new is the little entertainment fire on top. This is the upturned lid of a small galvanised incinerator. Costs a few pounds. Couple of upgrades. It's got a few holes in it. This allows a lot of hot air to get to it. Obviously the centre is fed by the stove, and this creates a super efficient, clean burn, satisfying fire, plus all the detritus that you get, like that, falls into the firebox, where it gets turned into nothing and you end up with hardly any crap at the end of it all. It's really efficient. You just got to keep this bottom half chugging along and you get a really nice fire. Quick example, we got some things running out of steam there, and down into the fire it goes. Lots of embery goodness. All the air surrounding the stove is warm. The cast iron top is very hot, so all the air coming in is hot. Okay, so about an hour later, going strong. I'm running out of wood. It's dark in suburbia. One thing to note, this is an inherently safe system, because the bottom of the Silverfire doesn't have much fuel and quickly runs out, and then starves the top if you just wander off. So that's good.